Number 3, we're trying to simplify the complex rational expression. And I'm going to start by calling this a 6 over 1. So I want to kind of make everything look like fractions here. And that'll help me find the LCD. So my LCD, and if you want to put parentheses around the x plus 6, you can. My LCD, well, this one has an x plus 6. The other two fractions do not have an x plus 6, but that doesn't matter. I need an x plus 6 in my LCD. The second fraction has an x. The other two do not have an x, but you still need an x in your LCD. The third one is just a 1, so I don't really need to do anything with the LCD when it's just 1. So this is my LCD. So I want to multiply each term by the LCD itself over 1. And then I'm going to cancel some things out. And after I cancel, all of my fractions should go away except for that main fraction bar. So my x plus 6's go away, and I'm left with x. My x's go away here, and I have a minus because it's a subtraction sign, x plus 6. And then nothing cancels out on the bottom one, but that's because I only had a 1 as a denominator. So this is 6x times x plus 6. Okay, I need to simplify as far as possible. So I'm going to, I cannot cancel out these x plus 6's because of this subtraction sign. So I'm actually just going to look at the top and simplify that. And on the bottom, I'm going to leave that alone. And that's going to be, well, the x's are going to cancel out. X minus x, there's no x's left. And I just have a negative 6. So always try to simplify the numerator by itself first and the denominator by itself first, and then try to cancel up and down. Because here, the 6 over the 6, that's going to reduce, and I'm going to have a negative 1 over x times x plus 6. And that'll be our final answer.